Does clutter control your space? Tired of bulky furniture hogging up your walls? Well, get ready to say goodbye to both. I'm John, and today we are building sleek, modern floating shelves that will transform your home without breaking the bank. They are easier to make than you think, and they add a touch of custom magic to any room. So grab your tools and let's get crafting. Step 1. First things first, let's gather our supplies. We'll need some beautiful wood planks. I'm using plywood in 3 by 4 inch thickness. You'll also need screws, anchors for dry walls if needed, sandpaper and your choice of paint or stain. Step 2. As for tools, we'll be using a saw for cutting the wood, a drill for mounting the shelves, and a level to make sure everything hangs straight. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves because safety first. Step 3. Alright, let's get building. We'll start by cutting our wood planks to the desired lengths. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Step 4. Now we'll join the wood pieces together to create the shelf base. Don't be afraid to get a little gluey. It'll hold everything together nice and strong. Once the glue dries, we'll secure things further with some screws. Step 5. Remember, mistakes happen. If your cuts aren't perfect, don't worry. A little sanding can work wonders. And if you are not sure about something, just pause the video and take your time. We are in this together. Step 6. Now comes the fun part. Mounting our shelves, we'll use a stud finder to locate the hidden support beams in your wall and mark the spot where we'll drill the holes. Step 7. Depending on your wall type, you might need different anchors for screws. Step 8. And finally, the moment of truth. We'll slide our beautiful shelves onto the brackets and give them a little wiggle test to make sure they are nice and sturdy. These shelves aren't just functional, they are a blank canvas for your creativity. Play with lighting, different angles, and mix and match your decor to find your perfect look. Hit that subscribe button and visit drillingnerd.com for more power tool reviews and drilling hacks that will make you a DIY hero.